Why did you choose me? Why dispatch? And would you recommend the class? And did you learn anything?
Okay. I got into this, a friend of mine, he's been driving 14 months and we communicate daily. So I kind of been living through his eyes on the road. And I went and got my CDL permit, but I hadn't taken the full course yet. And so I decided not to drive in the wintertime. And so I started looking into dispatching because my goal is to eventually own my own truck and know how to dispatch myself. So I figured I could learn this part first and move into driving second. And I looked at a lot of dispatching videos. And I would say yours was maybe the fourth one I got hooked on. And I believe for me, with you, with English being your second language or third language.
You decided that it's going to be entertaining, right?
No, I just think that, you know, you don't use a lot of slang or, you know, and it's slow, meaning, you know, you're not talking fast as if in your native language, I'm sure you 100 miles per hour. And I would be like, huh, what? But with English being second or third language, you kind of slow, which makes it easier for me to understand and comprehend. And I like your delivery. I did pay someone, I'm not gonna say no names. They had like a little $99 special and it was crap. I just look at it as a donation. I donated to their livelihood, but it was super crap. You definitely get what you pay for. I feel like your price is a steal from all the information you give and your hands-on and the way you explain things so clearly. I think it's priceless and I really appreciate it.
Thank you. What do you think about the homeworks, assignments? Do you think that they help you to get to this point today?
Yes. What's really interesting in the beginning, because I'm working, of course, and doing this on the side, and I wasn't really opening up the emails like I should. And over the past week, I've been going back through my emails, and I just can't believe how much info, like it's almost like an open book test. It's so much information. It's everything you need. I think it's great. I think you got a great plan.
But do you understand that you have to revisit and finish, even if you late with assignments? You have to do it, not for me. I know what I'm doing, not for somebody else, but for you. So even if you late with some things, you have to finish, reread, even the RPMs, even the test, just retake it. Just retake it and make sure that you know, because that's going to stay in your head. You know, when you really go reread, redo it, practice, then I mean, you have a great communication skills, right? You know how to use a power that you still need to practice. You know how to negotiate. So you have logic. You already have logic, right? But today, do you think after we did this few phone calls, some things when we were fixing and saying no or yes, did it finally help you to understand my logic behind this? Because we can just take any load, right?
Right.
Do you see the prices we have for reefer, for dry one? How much more of money you can make for carrier if you really understand what you're doing?
Right? Yes, it's very informative and it helped me learn a lot
today, right? Because we know that we are not gonna waste. So he's going to Cleveland, Ohio, pick up at 9 because he's gonna be empty tonight, right? And he's delivering it at Dwight, Illinois, right? That's where we're gonna post him for Thursday morning, 2 a.m. So $1,300. So now, so the first rate per mile was $6, right? But now for 2 loads, where are we at? Because would it be fair for me? Mike says, well, come to work for me. All your miles is going to be $6 per mile.
That's not true.
No, that's not true. That was for 1 load, right?
Right.
Okay, so what is it now? 25 plus 13. Divide by 806. What is that?
That is $4.71 a mile.
Okay.
Michael, how may I help you?
Hey, Michael,
Hey, yes, how you doing, Andrea?
you are sounding like Charlie Brown's teacher right now.
Wah, wah.
Okay. I think that we will be good on this. He is not quite wanting to pay that much. And I know lane average on this is like 2160 something.
Correct.
Can we kind of meet in the middle a little bit on that rate for him?
25.
Like, and you guys were asking for 26, right? Initially.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, we have to wait. It's heavy.
If we can do 2550, I can get it done.
25.50. Okay, we would like that.
Would that be okay?
That'll be okay.
All right. I will make it happen.
Do you need my email address?
I do. I need to check through. See, I think I already checked through it. See,
The
I'm going to shoot you over an email with our information.
Mhm.
If you can talk to your agent about getting the COI over to us with us as a cert holder,
Mhm.
and you will just be sending it to insurance@kingoffreight.com, and you'll CC me in it, and I'll put that in the email.
Okay, thank you so much,
So-
Andrea.
No problem. And I'm going to get a hold of my customer and see what he says,
Mhm.
and hopefully we'll be able to still book this though. So I'm going to shoot you over an email right now. Give me about 10 minutes and I'll be giving you a call back.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right. Thanks, Michael.
Hey, hopefully, Mike, right? With a push from Sassy Dispatch.
So on that price, when she said, how would you have?
I thought that she wants to go lower. I'm surprised that she isn't up with 2550. Because remember, she wanted to be at 21, we had 26. When she said meet us in the middle,
Right, and I said 20.
and you even said 25, and she went 2550. So I was like, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Because I would go to 25 only. I would not go
Okay.
lower. Not the
Okay.
because the middle actually would be between 21 and 26, somewhere 23. So that, and then when she said, oh, 2550, I'm like, okay, that's a good middle, right?
Yeah, it is good middle.
It's a good middle.
So
So
the
that's why she said, you know what? So probably she got confused when she asked you in the middle and you said 25. So she said that you talking about middle between 26 and 25. So then she said 2550, which was to her disadvantage because she could have said no, 23.
You're good there. It's palletized with the pallets. It weighs in at 42,500 pounds.
Does the load require any driver assist?
No.
How much are you paying?
So how much are you paying?
I have it currently posted up at 15. What would you need for it?
19.
We needed like 19.
19 up to the boss on this one and see if I can get approval on that, okay?
Okay, thank you. I will wait.
Well, shoot, let me tell you about that load here, okay?
Okay.
There's one pickup on there, and it's gonna be 11 a.m. in Wilmington, Illinois.
11 a.m. on what day? I'm sorry, it's on right. Thursday, yes, I'm sorry. Mhm.
That's fine. It's gonna deliver on Saturday at 2 a.m. in Tully, New York.
Okay, what did it come?
And it's 42,500 pounds on there, and it's gonna be energy bars and protein bars and mini protein bars and caramel nut bars
And more bars.
and let's see, and there's also some sliced ham on there. Is your driver haul pork?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, that's good. That's real good. Tell you what, this thing delivers on Saturday at 2 a.m. in Tully, New York.
Going to Walmart?
Could you haul this load? Good load.
Is
Okay.
it going to Walmart?
Is it going to Walmart? Who is the receiver?
No, it goes to Aldi Distribution.
Oh, it's Aldi distribution, Aldi.
What is the temperature?
And what is the temperature?
That's 35 degrees Fahrenheit continuous on a reefer unit.
I can tell you this, we can do it for 4,000. We set up with you.
Okay,
Oh,
can.
that's too much money.
Oh, well, come on. That's pork there. Not a lot of drivers take pork.
My boss
And it's
here,
not delivering next day, it's delivering Saturday.
and
We-
she's
we
a
can't.
sass.
We can't just meet at 39.
39, let me see, hold on, 39. What, hold on,
Pretty darn close.
put him on hold. So what is gonna,
765.
Diana,
Oh.
tell him, I can do 39.50.
Okay, I can do 39.50.
39.50.
Mhm.
Well, shoot. What's your MC number?
99.
Oh, shoot. Uh-oh.
What?
Coast to coast.
Correct.
Well, shoot. Let me think about it. Hold on.
Okay.
We are good carrier, you know that. You don't have to think about it. We always deliver your loads and pick up on time.
Well, shoot. I know that. The only thing I have to think about is I got to update your insurance.
And that's no problem. We can update it within 5 minutes.
Yeah, did you hear? It only takes 5 minutes.
Oh, shoot. 5 minutes, like 300 seconds. All right. If that's a real, just 5 minutes, okay? I'm going to do it.
Okay, it is real for me.
All right. What's your name?
Alex,
Okay, Alex.
Congratulations, Deanna.
graduation.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
That was
Okay,
great.
but
But
how do we know that you did a good job? Did you do a good job?
no.
I don't know. So what do we have to do, Mike? Okay, let's go back to that, because if you guys would have what? If you would have access, you would do what? Quick rate search, right? You
Mhm.
would put reefer, right?
Mhm.
Reefer. You would put Wilmington. What was the pickup? Wilmington, right? Yeah.
Right, Illinois.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Wilmington, Illinois to
Thule, New
Thule,
York. Mhm.
Thule, New York, right? 37, right? So
Yeah.
that's why you need to be. That's why when he posts 35, that's why we ask him for 4,000, because Dan, I already know the numbers, right?
Okay.
Right.
But you need to do this, because how are you gonna know if that's, because yes, it is a good load, right? Even 35, right?
Right.
But everybody else paying 37. So at least we get in what? 39.50,
Right.
right?
5 degrees.
35 degrees, and this is easy, right? And what are we gonna happen? We're gonna be early truck. So now, what is gonna be the most challenging thing? To post him right away on Saturday already, right? Because it's East
Right.
Coast. And look at Thule, New York, and we will bring him back to Lake Zurich, Illinois, right? We're not gonna punish him that much, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so let's see. How many loads on Saturday? Look at this. Not that many, right?
2, yeah.
Right,
So
but
would you expand your deadhead in that case?
no.
Okay.
But where is Mokina, Illinois? So let's go here. Hold on, picking up in Batavia, right? So Batavia is should be on the way to Illinois, right? And he's
Mhm.
early truck. Where's Batavia? Oh, not Batavia, Illinois, Batavia, New York, right?
Mhm.
Batavia, New York, right? Look, he's gonna go empty in this on Saturday, right? We just need to make sure where to pick up. Where is Mokina? Mokina, Illinois, right? So it's somewhere here.
I spoke with my management and they told me 1850. Is that something you could do for us? We would love to take this load off your hands.
Yeah, I can get you 1850.
Okay. Can I-
What day do you want to pick up? Thursday?
tomorrow before at 1:30.
Thursday.
Oh, Thursday?
Okay.
Well, we would rather do Thursday.
Thursday first thing?
Yes, ma'am.
No, we're
Okay.
gonna
They
pick up
start
at
at
12.
7:30 in the morning. As long as you can make that delivery appointment 9:30 Friday morning, because they're kind of hard to get into.
Yes, ma'am. We'll
I mean,
make
because
that.
they're so busy, you know.
Mhm.
What's your MC number?
It is one.
Load tomorrow,
Mhm.
or you can load tomorrow as long as you're in before 1:30.
Okay, we'll do Thursday.
Okay. Silk Road America @gmail.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will get that over to you right now, and as soon as I get that back in on the computer, I will get you a rate confirmation.
Mm-hmm.
And if you need me, I'm fixing to go get on the phone with my St. Louis on a little meeting. You can call, leave me a message, and I'll call you back.
Okay, sounds
Or if I
great.
see you call, I will call you back if you need me in the next 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Peggy.
Hey, no problem. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Oh, good job, right? Look at that. Did you add $50?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Was it easy?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hard. I mean, it was like, okay, still, what the worst can say? She can say 18, but
Right.
see, $50, even $50 per one load, it can adds up for carrier, right?
Right.
And you
That
were
could be his,
very, and you were respectful and polite, and you have the nice tone, right? You know what you're talking about because you're confident after my classes. So that's why you got what you need, right?
Mm-hmm.
So from 1600, you got to 1850, and we are getting in again in a strong area on Friday,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because we were in
Yeah.
Davenport today. We were in Davenport today, so we can probably take also the same load going back for 34.25.
Correct.
If not more, because it's going to be Friday, right?
Right.
So good job. So we
Especially
day of what?
October.
October of and who? W9 in our setup. Are we going to fill it out? No.
No.
Because we already have it. This is all her stuff. We don't need it. So file, save as. Now, let me tell you why dispatch. You already told us the story, right? You want to help your husband. Why did you choose me, and would you recommend my class?
Oh my God, of course, you and only you. I was watching before you, I was watching other YouTube videos, and nobody impressed me the way you did. And this class I enjoy so much. I learned so much, and it's a lot to learn. And it's more videos from you to watch. And I was going to ask you didn't have any videos, by the way, yesterday, right? Because you were busy. No, as long as I didn't miss anything.
I spend so much
Right.
energy that I cannot do the live.
And of course, a lot more to learn. And of course, I need personally me. I'm still weak on the zones, and to understand and to you have to really. It's not like from A to B. It's from when you start your week from Monday, from A point to B, then to C, and then back to B. You have to know. You have to calculate. You have to know your driver. It's a lot to learn, but I understand everything comes with experience. But again, even to get one person under my wing, I need to be, I'm not ready yet. But again, it's me. I don't want to.
But do you have the foundation? Do you know where
I do have a foundation. I definitely know more now than 4 weeks ago. But as I said, to continue watching you, to continue to take your mentor course and Monday's video all together at the end of the day, I think I hope I will become,
not
I don't know
hope,
if
you
it's
will.
like you, but
You guys have all potentials. You guys have good communication skills. You just need more practice.
Right.
So thank you. So I guess you will recommend us, right?
oh,
Yeah,
definitely.
most definitely.
Like,
So congratulations.